Well, hello everybody. Welcome to another episode of Master the NEC, where we talk about the National Electrical Code. Only thing is, today's episode, I am going to introduce to you a new course that we're going to be offering the middle to end of August. I believe it's about August 15th that this course will be available. And it is a grounding and bonding course. Now, everybody knows that I serve on Code Making Panel 5, but we partnered with Cengage to be able to get to the MindTap platform to be able to bring this grounding and bonding course. Now, I'm in the process of writing a book with a good friend of mine, and it's going to be released in 2020. Now, it's been out for many, many years on grounding and bonding, and it's all this course is based on is the grounding and bonding aspects of Article 250. Now, it's not all the confusing navigation you might get with the SOARS book or something like that. This is very much focused to grounding and bonding from the very beginning and understanding of the grounding and bonding principles in Article 250 all the way up through each successive section of the code. So it kind of works your way through the code from what you need to know back in the very beginning, things like objectionable current in 250.6, and moves you on up through the National Electrical Code up through Article 250. So we're really excited about that publication, and we're really excited about this program. Again, you can get more information on this program by going to masterthenec.com, and you'll see there's a button there under courses, and you'll see the grounding and bonding course that we'll have available. We're really excited about it, but one thing I wanted to do is give you kind of a sneak peek into it. So this is kind of a sneak peek into the course. As you get to see here, there's a lot of different units that you work through from the very beginning, the introduction to grounding and bonding, general grounding systems, or system grounding, I should say. And it moves you through grounding electrode conductors, grounding electrode systems, all the bonding schemes that you'll need to understand, and everything is all in here. Methods of equipment grounding, so everything is encompassed in here. Now, you also get access to the actual book at any time by clicking on this button right here on the right of your screen. You click on that button and you get access to the actual full book, and that's the full book, and you get total access to it. So we recommend that you go through the course, because if you go through the course, you'll notice that every unit will have a quiz that's associated with what you learn. So as you go through it, for example, the introduction to grounding and bonding, you'll click on that. And let's get rid of the book over here. And you'll just simply read your way through it with clickable links to take you to certain types of definitions and different things like that. Effective ground fault current path. So you have, anytime you see highlighted like this and the asterisk tells you that directly comes out of the National Electrical Code. There's a lot of great graphics in the program that you can read it, and really sometimes a picture's worth 1,000 words. So you'll be able to look at these graphics and get a good understanding of the principles of grounding and bonding. And so this program, you just simply move through it, page by page, read the information, and you're going to learn more than you've ever wanted to know about grounding and bonding. Volt, ampere, ohm, all of this relates to the necessary need to understand basic Ohm's law, and we'll walk you through every bit of it. So this course is very extensive, and you'll have access to it for 12 full months. Now, you can learn at your own pace. You can take the unit quizzes at your own pace, but you get access to it. You can print pages out, anything like that, for a full 12 months. That's part of the subscription price that you get to get access to it, to really hone your skills in grounding and bonding. So all of that's available. One thing I did want to show you is some of the unit quizzes. For example, if I click on the unit quiz, once I finish the unit, then I take the quiz, to measure my knowledge level that I've learned the material. So you'll see here, and you'll see there's a bunch of questions here, 21 of them. And here, for example, which of the following statements in the NEC, which of the following statements about the term electrical system is not true? Okay, well, one, it says the term is defined in the NEC, so its usage will be uniform. Okay. B is the electric utility supplies the system at the service to a building. It's a true statement. The energy supplied by a solar photovoltaic system is a system. It's a true statement. The energy supplied by a generator is a system. It's true. So the only one here that is not true is that the term electrical system is not defined in NEC. So I would click that, and then I can check my work. And you see that I'm absolutely correct. Now you can go through this, and it's going to be associated very closely to the actual unit that you're taking. Okay, so you just go through it, test your knowledge, and move your way through it. And you're going to learn everything about sizing equipment grounding conductors. You're going to understand equipment grounding conductors. You're going to understand bonding principles that you're going to have in the National Electrical Code. All of that's going to be covered in this grounding and bonding book. So it is an extensive program, teaches you everything that you need to know about grounding and bonding. And probably some stuff that you wish you didn't need to know. So all of that's going to be encompassed in the program. But there's also some additional things that we're giving you here. There's different appendixes. For example, investigation and testing of footing type grounding electrodes for electrical installations. So this kind of gives you, we'll show you here, the background. And it kind of goes through and talks about the tests that were done in Arizona. And that Mr. Ufer did and all that type of stuff. So a lot of information in here. You can read all about it. It tells you all the backstory about it. Again, you can go over here to the contents and you can even see the appendix introduction. And it'll tell you all the information here that's involved with it. It's really detailed information that you might see here if you want to kind of do some backstory work on these footing type of electrodes. So it's really some good information. So it's been put well together. We're putting this out as a partnership with Cengage, who is actually the publisher. This book is written by Phil Simmons, and in 2020, I have a hand in also writing this book. So we're excited about it. This one is based on the 2017 code. So hopefully you, if you really want to know about grounding and bonding, and you really want to hone your skills and work systematically through each section in Article 250, this is the course for you. So for more information on this, visit our website, masterthenec.com, and you can learn more about our grounding and bonding course. Thanks for watching.